3.6. Distributive property. Page 107 is where we are today. The distributive property is highlighted in your books. What does it say? Anybody read that? Reese, what does it say?
Distributive property.
And after that?
It just says distributive property. Oh, not in highlighted.
And after that?
Oh, not in highlighted? Yeah. Using the distributive property of algebraic expressions.
Charlotte? Good. So the distributive property shows how multiplication affects addition or subtraction. We're going to be doing all kinds of math.
Can we do algebra?
This is actually a little bit of pre-algebra for you.
Can we do like high school algebra?
Well, not today.
I want to try it.
So the distributive property, the first year that I taught this here, I was pregnant with Lincoln. And so this is how I taught it. Okay? For the distributive property, you take whatever is on the outside and you multiply it to both things on the inside. So B times A, because we don't have those, we don't know what numbers they represent. In pre-algebra, we put them together without any symbol between them. And when we do that to the second letter in there, do you guys get it? It says pregnant, baby, baby. It's okay if you didn't, it's fine. I'm not as funny as I think I am. Okay, if we do those with math numbers, right, this is multiplying. So when you have something on the outside, you have to attach it to each thing on the inside, and that's what this visual represents. Now let's do it with numbers, okay? So if you have 2 on the outside, and on the inside you have a 6x plus 3. So this is pre-algebra when there's a letter in there. It doesn't matter that we don't know what it means. It's just going to stay with our numbers. It's kind of like a label, right? If you're talking about M&Ms or you're talking about basketballs, it just stays with your answer, okay? So when I distribute by multiplying, I'm going to do 2 times 6x. What is that going to be?
12x.
It is. Nice job. Because 2 times 6 is 12, and I'm going to keep my label. And then I have to do 2 times the other number in parentheses, which is 6. And these two do not have the same label, so they cannot be combined. This is finished. This is pre-algebra. You would. Okay. This is completed. Okay, let's do some more. Okay, let's do some more. So now we've seen it, okay? So you have whatever's on the outside. You're multiplying by everything on the inside, distributing. You're distributing that outside number to all the numbers inside. Great. Let's do 4 on the outside times 3n plus 6. So the 4 is what we're going to multiply by each of the things inside. 4 times 3n is 12n. And then 4 times 6? 24. Done. Distributed. Let's do one more for our notes, and then we'll move to whiteboards. Absolutely. Okay, Okay. 6th grade, refocus. Thank you. This time let's do 3 terms inside the parentheses. 7 minus 3m, and let's be careful with our signs, plus 4p. So we're still going to distribute, but now we're going to do it 3 times. We're going to multiply. Three different times, multiplication. So 8 times 7. It is. 8 times 3. It is, and there was a minus, so I'm just going to draw an arrow and bring in that sign straight down. So 8 times 3 is 24. I had an m, so I need to keep the label of m in my second term. And then I have 8 times 4p. Charlotte? And I have another sign. It's a plus, so I'm going to bring that straight down. 32p. And now I am finished.